7 Psychological Tricks to Earn Respect. Number 1. Maintain eye contact. Number 2. Use positive body language. Number 3. Practice active listening. Number 4. Show genuine interest. Number 5. Use a firm but friendly tone. Number 6. Be consistent and reliable. Number 7. Show respect to others. Earn respect with these 7 psychological tricks. Let's dive into little bit explanation. Number 1. Maintain eye contact. Show confidence and engagement by looking people in the eye. Number 2. Use positive body language. Stand up straight and use open, approachable gestures to show enthusiasm and friendliness. Number 3. Practice active listening. Show you value others' thoughts by nodding, taking notes, and asking clarifying questions. Number 4. Show genuine interest. Ask questions and show curiosity about others' thoughts and experiences. Number 5. Use a firm but friendly tone. Speak clearly and confidently with a warm and approachable tone. Number 6. Be consistent and reliable. Follow through on commitments and maintain a consistent demeanor. Number 7. Show respect to others. Offer genuine compliments and show appreciation for others' efforts and achievements. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.